Hi guys! So, it's Sunday, galing kami mag-grocery and mag-church. And then, biglang mayroong package na dumating. So, para kay Marvin daw to. But I don't know what this is. Hindi niya sinabi kung ano to. So, nasa labas siya. I-unboxing na natin bago siya dumating. Tadaan! Let's see. Wow. Espresso machine. Oh. They have the manual. Ito eh. Hindi naman ako mahilig magkape. Only Marvin drinks coffee here.
Ha? Did you think my package?
Nag-unboxing na ako ng coffee mo.
Okay. That's
Espresso.
mine.
Sorry.
I just want to drink coffee. Why is there unboxing?
Hold on. Help me.
Oh yes, here it is. Here it is. That's the cake. Oh, this is the.
What's that?
Oh, the. I forgot the name. It's for.
Wow,
Oh,
naman.
it's the. Where you put the ground beans. I forgot, but.
Baliktad.
Ooh.
I just wanna see it. Wow. Wow.
This is a basic espresso machine, not the expensive one. I want to learn how to, well, we want to learn how to make espresso. We don't want to spend too much. Magastos ang kape. Dati, madali lang magkape. Diba? So here's the instruction manual.
So what's this?
That is. That's the what do you call that cup? The frothing pitcher. And I think there's a tamper. There's a metal tamper. Wow. It's for the foam. Oh, this is what you call the portafilter.
At this one.
This is a different size portafilter. I think 50. That's the tamper. Pang siksik ng kape. Yung pang measure na.
Measuring.
Ng number of ground beans. Ito yung mga bagay kailangan nyo magbasa ng manual. Hindi pwede hindi.
Whoa.
Wow. And
What's this?
Open it.
Oh, coffee grinder.
Yes. Hindi pwedeng blender ang gagamitin.
You're gonna put up a coffee shop here in the house.
Yes. What's the other size?
Oh.
It's the Krups coffee grinder. So this is the filter baskets. Dalawa siya. This is the yun, top down. The damper. Ito yung filter baskets. 1 cup. You make it on. If gusto mo 2 cups. Ito. It's heavy duty. It's heavy. 2 cups. Ito. Nice. It's the Gevi 20 bar espresso maker. Really neat. We're gonna clean this first. So, hindi pa namin makakita gumagawa. That's in the next video. So, ngayon, we're not buying expensive one. We just wanna try it. Okay?
Okay, we'll see.
We'll see you in the next video.
We'll see how the coffee tastes in the espresso machine.
Let's show them that.
What? How?
So that's the frotting neck frotter. Single cup.
That's where you do this.
Yes. Single cup, double cup, pang steam. Ito yung dial.
Looks nice.
The water.
This is where you put the This is where you put the water on this side.
This one is heated.
Maybe you have to. Oh, let's remove this. And then you put the water in. Okay, like this. No, not now.
This we can put the cup here, so it stays heated all the time.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Ay,
Alright. Wow.
komplikado naman magkape.
Wow. You got a new toy. Okay.
We have to read them about this.
That's it for this unboxing.
Okay.
We'll see if the coffee tastes good or tastes better in here.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you in the
Bye.
following. Hindi naman umuinom ng kape.
My coffee.
Ay.
Bye,
My
guys.
coffee. That's my coffee.
Bye, guys. Bye.